Hello, in this video we are learning advanced data structures. Data structures means list, tuple, dictionary, sets. Okay, these strings. These are the data structures. And you have earlier classes we have learned about how to create basic list and tuple and dictionaries. Okay, so you have to basic knowledge about that to know the advanced data structures. So in this video we learn about the list comprehensions, dictionary comprehensions, nested data structures, and also the complex data structures means a combination of different data structures like different sets, and inside dictionary the list will be there, inside list uh, some dictionaries will be there. So combination of these data structures, and also how to access complex data structures. Okay, how to access elements with complex data structures. Okay, first we will see list comprehension and dictionary comprehension. List comprehension and dictionary comprehension are concise ways to create lists and dictionaries respectively in Python. They provide more readable and expressive syntax for generating these data structures comparable to traditional loops. In simple words, list comprehension returns list comprehension is about a single statements which returns list type. Okay, list comprehension are the single statement. This okay. See this list expression for item in iterable if condition. These you have to remember this syntax. Okay, and returns list comprehension returns uh, list type. Okay, list type expressions for item in iterable if condition. Expression nothing but the expression to be evaluated for each item is nothing but the a variable. Okay, any variable that represents each item in the iterable is nothing but the list or tuple or dictionary whatever. Okay, sets or like the data structure. Okay, the iterable you want to loop through, which list you want to loop through. Okay, like a list tuple like that. Okay, conditional option if condition a filter that can be applied to exclude or exclude. If there is if any list you want to filter it, you can use if condition here. Okay, after that we'll see with an example. So definition you have to remember, it allows you to create a new list by applying an expression to each item in an existing iterable and optionally filtering the items. Okay, this is a basic definition and this is syntax. You have to remember this one. Okay, expression for item in iterable if condition, expression for item in iterable if condition for list comprehensions. Okay, nothing but it returns a list. Okay, it returns a list with one statement, this syntax. Okay, it allows you to create a new list by applying an expression to each item in an existing iterable. Okay, and optionally filtering items. We'll see with an example, you can understand better list comprehensions. So suppose if you creating list of squares, we will do with normal. Okay, normal without using list comprehension we will do with creating list of squares example, and later we will do with list comprehension example. Okay, okay, first with normal example, this is creating a squares. So for take empty list here, squares is equal to empty list. See, this is normal print. Okay, normal example, normal, this is okay. Square is equal to empty. Now what we have to do, x square, no, creating a list of squares. Okay, so take a, okay, we'll do like this one. Okay, for x in range 1 to 6, 1 to 6 squares dot append x square. You can write x square like this one. I can write, okay, x square, that is okay, x square, just print squares, print squares. Okay, square is a list. Okay, we have an empty list here and we are looping through 1 to 6 here, and squares we are appending whatever we have done looping here, x square, we are appending to that is a square list. Okay, square list whatever. Okay, so output is, see, 1 4 9 4 16 25. This is normal list. Okay, normal without using list comprehension. Now we will use with list comprehension how it will behave. See, print, okay, list comprehension, that is comprehension. Okay, now we have to use list comprehension. Remember the syntax. What's the syntax? New list. Okay, whatever you give list here only. So I'm giving squares 2 here, so it will list it. Okay, so now in squares 2 expression for item in iterable if condition expression. What's the expression in this above program expression? This is expression, no? X square. So that's x square x 2, and next syntax what's it? For item means for x in for x in we are number there in numbers you declare in numbers here. Numbers is equal to some 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, we are not taking range here, we're directly taking a numbers here. Okay, this list here. Okay, so this become list now. Okay, expression for item in iterable. Expression is nothing but x square for x in numbers. Okay, you can take range also, you can take as well, you can take numbers also, whatever you can take it. Okay, numbers. Okay, is iterable now, so iterable with list here. Okay, just print squares 2, print squares 2, that's it. See, same thing, one word answer, one word one, just single statement here. Okay, you have to write here multiple statements, four or five lines, but here the single statement is enough, single line. Okay, list compression returns list. You can get the output, this both are same, both programs are same, both programs are equal. Okay, in terms of getting output, but if you want to use single statement, and if you want to reduce the code, sometimes you can use this list comprehensions. Okay, so like this, that's the use for list comprehension. And you can filtering odd numbers. Okay, see, x for x in numbers, you know how to filter odd number. If x percentage by 2 equal to 0, okay, it's not odd number, or else a odd number, like that one. Okay, for x in numbers, if for x percentage by 2 equals 0, x is expression, x is a item, numbers is a iterable one, and the if condition. Okay, so output 2 comma 4. Okay, even numbers. So that's about the list comprehension. So we will see another example also. Suppose let's take a list to num1 and 2 with some numbers, and we will create another list num3 with numbers present in num1 but not in num2. Okay, numbers present in num1, we want to display the numbers present in num1 list but not in num2. So we'll do like that one. Okay, so that you can understand list compression better. With first we'll do with normal one. Okay, first we'll do with normal, and next later we'll do with the list comprehensions. See the differences now. Okay, first using without using list, first we'll do without using list comprehensions, that program. So take num1 is equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, whatever you can take it. Num2 is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9. Okay, so the the output should be the output should be in list, the output should be in the list. It should contain only num1 numbers. Okay, not num1 to num1 means we want to create another list num3 with numbers presenting in num1 but not in num2. Okay, like that we can. So we will do like this. So num3 is equal, we take num3 and for I in num1. Okay, for I in num1, if I not in num2. This example is without a list comprehension. Okay, number 3 dot append I. Okay, num3 dot append I and print num3. See, okay, for I in num1 means this 1 2 3 4 5 will be iterable, and if I not in num2, because I is not there in num2, append it to I. If what is one list one num1, what are the elements are there num1 should not be the num1 2, that will append it to the num3. See, 3 1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4 are not there in the num2 here. Okay, 1 and 4 not in the num4. Now we will use a list comprehension. Okay, list comprehension, and now we'll use it. So we'll take it num4 is equal to list. What's the expression here? I is expression here, okay, because path or the parenthesis, inside parenthesis only expression I, okay. I for iterable for x, okay, for I iterable only I only, no, I for I in num1, num1 if condition, if not in num2, if I not in num2, okay. I for I in num1, okay. Num1 is the iterable one, I is a x item, okay. What I can be anything, just iterable one if I not in num2, okay. This simple way, okay. Print num, simple one. See, this is only just one statement here. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 7 lines, but this just 2 lines, okay. So that's the use of list comprehensions. Output will be the same only, but the thing is that to reduce the code or minimize the code, you can use the list comprehensions. Right? That's simple. Okay, see 1 comma 4 1 comma 4. Okay, you have to remember the syntax. Syntax you can get it easily. Okay, so like, that's about the list comprehensions. Next, dictionary comprehension. So dictionary comprehension also similar to list comprehension only, but are used to create dictionaries here. Okay, the return value will be the dictionaries. The return value for the list comprehension is list. The return value of this list comprehension is dictionary. We will get the dictionaries output has to get in dictionary way. You know how what is dictionary? Key value pairs. Okay, they allow you to create new dictionary by specifying both key value pairs and optionally filtering items from an existing iterable. Okay, the basic syntax of dictionary comprehension is this is, you have to remember these expressions. Okay, new dictionary, so curly braces, inside curly braces, so key expression is to value expression, okay. Next thing same like list only for item in iterable if condition, okay. Key expression is to value expression, okay. So whereas in list compression just expression here, in list compression just expression, in dictionary compression its key expression is to value expression, okay. For item in iterable if condition, rest is the same, okay, and the value will stored in the new underscore dictionary, okay. Return type is the dictionary only here, okay. So the same thing, and so examples are the simple. Take the numbers here, just try it, okay. You can try yourself. Numbers 1 2 3 4 5, no, key expression is to value expression, okay. Value expression is this x is to x square, key will be the x here. X means iterable all values of the numbers element. For x in numbers, these are, you know, output will be 1 is to 1 2 is to 4 3 is to 9 4 is to 10, okay. Like a key value pairs, key value, okay. Filtering out numbers, same thing, simple. Numbers 1 2 3 4 5, x is to x percentage by 2 equals 0 for x in numbers, key value will be 1, okay. Output will be false here, okay. 2 true, 3 false, okay. Like a dictionary way, output will be the key value pairs here for dictionary comprehensions, okay. So these both are important for a, you can do it other way also, but only thing is to get to, for single statement, okay. So to minimize the code in a complex, in very big programming, you can use this list comprehension and dictionary comprehensions. So syntax is important here. You have to remember the syntax here to get into the dictionary comprehensions. Just remember the syntax here, okay. That's about the list and dictionary comprehensions. Next will be the nested data structures. Means list within list, okay. List within another list, okay, will be there like this one. Matrix. This is one list here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Another list here, okay. So we will see with an examples how we access elements. Simple. If you want to access, sixth element, I want to access this sixth element, okay. So how you access this element is equal to matrix, okay. This list name, rows and columns. The first square brackets is the rows, second square brackets is the columns, okay. Rows are horizontal, rows are horizontal, columns are vertical, okay. One means in, you know, lists are 0 and x, okay. 0 and 1 means 4 5 6, okay. It access 4 5 6. 2 means columns, okay. 0 1 4 7 1 2 5 7 3 6 and 6, okay. Here 6 will be the access element. Row 1 and column 2, row 1 and column 2, row 1 and column 2. Suppose if you want to access 9, means row 3 and row 2 and column 2, okay. Row 2 and column 2. If you want to access 8 here, 8 means rows 2 column 1, okay. Row 2 column 1, 0 1 2 0 1, okay. Remember, rows are horizontal, columns are vertical, okay. And the lists are 0 and x here, okay. Remember, if you want to access elements, you have to like this one. First square bracket is a row, second square bracket is a column 1. So that's the nested list. We'll see more examples. Just remember how to access elements, okay. List of dictionaries, okay. You can use list to store dictionaries as elements representing collection of list of dictionaries here. List of dictionaries means here, see, This is a students is a list, but inside list there is a dictionary here. So inside a list there is a dictionary here. So we will copy this one. Okay, inside list there is a dictionary, name, alias, age, 20. You know, dictionaries are key value pairs. Keys are name, values are alias. Okay, so inside list there is a dictionary. Now how to access? In the example is to when each dictionary represents a student with attributes like name and age. We want to access Bob here. Okay, we want to access this Bob. I want to access this Bob Bob dictionary, Bob value. Okay, inside list I want to access this Bob value. How we access this? Like this one, name is equal to students. Okay, students means the list name 0 1. Okay, 0 1 2. You know, list are list stored in the index. Okay, list stored in memory index. Okay, 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 1, and name, accessing a value here. Okay, name like this one. Okay, we'll see here. Name is equal to students 1 name. That's it. Now simple. Print name. Print name. Okay, see Bob here. I want to access 21 here. Okay, 21 age. Okay, how Carol age 21. Okay, I want to access this one. So want to access age means use age is equal to students 0 1 2 age. Okay, print age here. Simple. 21. Okay, age 1 is equal to age 2. Okay, name equal like this one. Okay, like this you have to access the. So like this you have to access lists of dictionaries. Okay, list of dictionaries means inside list there dictionary will be there. This is the way you have to access the list of dictionaries. Next is the dictionary of dictionaries. Inside dictionary another dictionary. Okay, inside dictionary there is another dictionary here. Okay, so it is the employees dictionary, and inside dictionary employees dictionary there is employee 1, employee 2. Three dictionaries are there here. Okay, simple. How to access elements only. Okay, how to access this different values. Okay, here employee name and values here. Okay, so like this how means it's like if you want to role is equal to developer role, you want it, you want to means employees, this is a dictionary name, and employees 2, employees 2 will be this another dictionary name and role. Okay, you have to access like this one. Just try it. Okay, simple. So simple. If you want to access designer, this designer value means employees, employee 3, and this role. Okay, employees, employee 3. This is simple. Okay, if you also name, if you want to access name means employees, employee 3, name. Simple. Okay, within square brackets. Okay, dictionary within dictionaries. Okay, if you want to access elements dictionary within dictionary, this is the way. This is the way. Next thing is list of tuples. Okay, you can use list to store tuples, creating collection of immutable elements. Immutable is not changeable. Okay, these are coordinates. Inside list there is a tuples are there. Tuples, you know, tuples are stored in the parentheses. So, these are brackets, parentheses. 1 comma 2 3 comma 4 5 comma 6. In this example, list coordinates list of tuples mean each tuple represented space. How to access these elements? Okay, inside list there will be tuples will be there. Suppose x comma y is equal to coordinates of 1. Okay, x comma y for coordinates of 1. So now x assigned to 3, y is assigned to 4, like this one. Okay, accessing elements, unpacking, this they call as unpacking. If you give coordinate 0 here means 1 comma 2, x is equal to 1, y is equal to. Okay, so like the way you have to access tuples, list of tuples here. Okay, and this is the biggest one, nested combination. You can create complex data structures by nesting various combination of data types, various combination of data types such as list of dictionaries or dictionaries of list to represent intricate data relationship. Okay, inside dictionary there is a list is there, inside list there will be dictionaries there. Here see, inside dictionary there is a list here, inside list there is a dictionary. So how to access this type of complex nested combination data structure? So copy this one, control V. Okay, see in this example library is a dictionary here. initial library is a dictionary. Inside dictionary there is a two lists are there, books and magazines. In books and magazines consists of lists. In books, different dictionaries will be there. Inside list, there is different dictionaries will be there. Okay, simple. If you want to access these things, list library. Okay, books. Zero means this one. Other. Okay, other one. So you'll get output other one. Okay, so we'll copy this one. Control C. Okay, print other. THOR. What's the output now? Other one. See, other one. So I want to access news here. I want to access news. How you access news here? Just variable here, give some news here. Library only. Magazines. We have to take here magazines. Okay. Magazines. Magazines. In zero only, no zero. Yeah, in list zero it will be there. And category. Category. Okay. Here news will be there. News. Otherwise you give category only here also. Category only. You hit category. See news here. So I want to access this fashion. Okay, if you want to access this fashion means you have to write it magazine one. That's it. Simple. Fashion. So like that. Okay. Simple. In square brackets only you can access with dictionary also. Dictionary inside dictionaries also. In square brackets. Square brackets and indexes with indexes and square brackets. So this way. Okay. Inside this is a complex one. No? Inside dictionary list will be there. Inside list there is a dictionary of records will be there. Okay. So how to access this type of complex dictionary? Right. Okay. So that's about the data structures and the sets and data structures with complex values. Uh, okay, we'll see with this one set dictionary with complex values. Nested dictionary. We'll see this one nested combinations. First, we'll copy this one. Control C. Okay, dictionary with list here. Okay, inventory. Inside inventory. See inside the nested dictionaries. There is another dictionary will be there. Inside dictionary list will be there. Here custom objects in dictionaries. Okay, objects are there. Okay, person one column, person ls comma 25. Okay, person class name, this is object name, and the persons is object name, and this is the person one. We are assigning these different values for these classes. Okay, this one persons. Okay, custom objects. Okay, this is object name, persons is an object name, person is the values. Okay, so these are custom dictionaries. How to access these times? These things simple. Using complex values, accessing complex values. Okay, accessing complex values. Next setup is a simple thing. I want to access output 25 LH. Simple. I want to access this age here. Okay, I want to access 25 LS age. How to access LS age? I want to know I want to know what's LS age here. So how to access this LS age? Age is equal to, okay, employee information. Okay, and what's it? Is a square brackets, no? Simple. Square brackets ls age. Simple. Print age here. See, now will output will be 25 here. Okay, 25. That's a how there's a way accessing nested dictionaries, and I want to access the dictionary with lists here. Okay, lists here. Okay, I want to access this carrot. Okay, I want to access this carrot one. Vegetables in the, what is the vegetable? Zero index. Okay, simple. Give veg is equal to inventory inventory 1 comma one only, no? Inventory, okay, fruits comma 0, not one. Vegetables here, vegetables, vegetables. I want to access carrot, no? 0. That's it. Print veg. The output will be 25 carrot here. Okay, that's the way you have to access the dictionary with list. And next, custom objects in dictionaries. How to access custom object with dictionary with alias name? Okay, with alias. Okay, simple. You how to access this one means print. This one is, print percentage. I'll copy this one. Control V. Okay, name. Simple. Persons is the object name, and you have to pass this person to in the square brackets dot name. Okay, person to dot name. Name means this one you will give alias. Okay, person to dot name means you can get Bob here. Okay, Bob here. Okay, so such a way you have to access custom objects in dictionaries. And there are some modifications also there. I want to modify this one. Modifications, modifying complex values. How to modify complex values? Okay, I want to alias age, no? I want to position. I want to modify this manager. I want to give more manager of manager. I want to modify this to technician, some technician, technical. Okay, assistant. Okay, like assistant role, whatever. So how you modify? Uh, just access employee information, like simple employee information. Bob position is equal to uh, some assistant, like assistant. Okay, assistant, and just watch how it will be print employee information. So output will be, see how it will be. See, alias age 25, Bob age 30, position assistant here. So change it here. So like that we can change it here. So it creates another object, not another object. Within the computer can be modified only by creating new object. Okay, next, how to, same thing, just check here. Okay, simple append. If you want to change this one fruits value, inventory fruits dot append grape. Okay, if you want to change the grape. Okay, so if you want to change the append for the this one dictionary with list is there, no? If you want to change the apple banana cherry, if you want to add one more, just add simple like this one, inventory fruits dot append grape. Okay, and the same thing if you want to change the object also, custom objects also. If you want to change alias name change means just use this one, person dot is equal 26. Simple. Okay, okay. For list you have to append it. If you want to append list means you have to append it. Okay, if you want to append, if you want to change the data for the append list means you have to do append. Okay, for the append. And for dictionary, simple, accessing the values only, accessing the keys and values only. Simple, accessing the keys and values you can change for the dictionaries in nested dictionaries. And for the list, dictionary with list, you can access through through whatever square brackets and append. You can have to append it. And now for object, normal. Okay, normal like a dictionary only. For objects, person dot age equal to 26, so it will change it. Okay, so when working with complex values in sets or dictionaries, keep in mind that modification to mutable objects, lists are mutable. Okay, changeable. Okay, within these complex values will affect the original objects as they are mutable and stored by reference. Immutable objects, tuples and frozen sets are within complex values can be modified only by creating new objects. Okay, so immutable means not changeable. Okay, so changeable objects. No, that's immutable, mutable means, okay, we already told you. So this is the way So go through these examples again. Okay, how to access complex values, how to access complex data structures, nested data structures. Okay, how to create it, and we'll see some example here. Okay, write a program to create a nested list and display its elements. Write a program to create a nested list and display its elements. We will create some nested list. Okay, sample nested list and and display. We want to display its elements. Okay, we'll see how it fares. Take some. Take a list something list. Okay, here list is equal to, okay, whatever, 1 2 3 4 5 4 comma, nested list will take here. Okay, 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, this is a nested list here. Okay, and how we access this nested list? Simple thing. For using for loop, you can access this list elements. Okay, suppose if you want to print total list here equal to, I want a total list here, list, simple. Okay, accessing total list here. See, we're getting total list here. So but I want only this 7 8 9 nested list. How is 0 1 2 3 fifth 0 1 2 3 4? Okay, so print nested list is, how to access nested list now? How to access nested list? List 4. That's it. So nested list. Okay, so you know how to access this whole list by looping. Okay, by looping you can access. Okay, how to total looping you can access nested list here. Suppose for x in list 4 print I. Sorry, x. Okay, for x in list 4 means the 7 8 9, and it will print it. Okay, it loops through each element and prints the value here. See, 7 8 9 here. Okay, if you don't want to move to next line, simple x comma, and if the cursor don't want to move to the next line, just use this one. Okay, x equal to n. See, 7 8 9. Okay, here 7 8 9. So such a way we can access different lists, nested list. Okay, simple example. Next, write a program to create retrieve elements from a matrix and display them. Okay, now we have to retrieve elements from a matrix and we have to display. Okay, we'll take some complex matrix here and we'll display how the elements now. Okay, some matrix here, mat is equal to, take it 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, 4 comma 5 comma 6, 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, these are the these are the list, and we have to access through row and column. Okay, how to access these retrieve elements? This one. Okay, first if you want to total display total means simple print mat. Simple. If you want to display total list means just print mat. Okay, yeah, total list here. Okay, so I don't know, this is the total list. Suppose if we want to display each column in row. Okay, or suppose row by row, if you want to display row by row, if I want to display row by row, like this one, for rn mat printer, simple. So display this mat row by row here, like this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, row by row will display here. Okay, simple one. To display row by row, this is the way you can display row by row. Now I want to display each column in row 0. Okay, each column in row 0. You know, rows are horizontal, column in vertical. I want to display this 1 2 3, each row in column 0. So how you display? For C in mat of 0, for C in mat of 0, print percentage d percentage c comma and is equal to the c. Okay, I want to display this 1 2 3, the 1 2 3 in row 0. Okay, 3 columns are there. For C in mat 0 means it loops through this 1 2 3 here. Okay, column, see 1 2 3 here. Okay, for second I want second one, so use this one, man, just use mat 1, that's it, simple. 4 5 6, I want to display 7 8 10 means mat 2 here. Okay, such a way you can access individual columns. Okay, individual rows are. So okay, and each, suppose I want to display each row and column again like a matrix for R in. So you want to display all element means for R in mat, for C in R, print C comma end is equal to, okay, print here. If you want to display on matrix like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 like this, see, like this, so you can display like this with this program, or you can do it other way also. And the other way means I will tell you, like this means for I in range of mat, obviously length of mat, what is the length of mat, okay, for J in range length of mat of I. Okay, print same thing, you can do this one also, same thing, you can do this way, or same you can do this way to display percentage mat. Remember, I, first square bracket is a row, second square bracket is a column here. Remember that one, you have to remember that, comma, okay, and print it. I hope you understand this one. Okay, range means looping, length of mat means, see how was the length of mat, 0 1 2 2. Okay, months 1 2 3 3, 3 means it repeats 3 times. Length, and J in length of mat of I, in mat of I means this mat I 1 3 times. Okay, it repeats again 3 times and stores in this mat ij. Okay, first for I in length, for J in I, you have to remember, if you want to display all elements, so all elements on row and column way means you have to write this one for I in length, for J in I, simple, you have to remember for I in length, J in I, like this. See 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and right, see, same thing. So such a way you have to do it for accessing elements of matrix, matrix list, list nested list. Okay, next one, write a Python program to add two matrices and display some matrix in list. Okay, so we have to take two matrices like before example we have seen, no? And two matrices, we will add the two matrices and result stored in the another matrix, simple. Okay, we have to add two matrices and result have stored in another matrix. So take one is equal to, take here 1 comma, same thing uses 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, this is the one matrix. Next take another one, n2 is equal to, we'll take same, okay, so doesn't matter, we'll add it, no, we'll add it both to one, control C, control V. Okay, same matrix only we take, otherwise you can add different numbers here, 7 8 8 for your 1 2 4. Okay, we have to add this two matrix and we have to show another matrix here. Okay, first we have to create another matrix. Now how you create another matrix? Empty 3 into 3 matrix like this one, and 3 is equal to, how you do means using list comprehension here. Okay, or expression means 3 star 0. Okay, 3 star 0 for I in range 3. So repeat range for 3 times. Okay, so it creates 3 into 3 empty rows and columns, range 3, or you can take range 4. 4 means okay, range 3. Okay, so you will see what is the print in 3. See 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, 3 empty one. Okay, created successfully, right? And now we have to add these two and we have to enter into this empty list and 3. How will do it? Okay, first as usual you have to loop it for I in range 3, for I in range 3, for j in range 3 only, for j in also range 3. Okay, n3 of I of j is equal to n1 of I j plus n2 of I j. Okay, simply we are adding this I and j, row and column, and row and column to, and resulting into this row and column. Okay, simple thing. 0 0, suppose if you take loop 0 loop 0 0 1 0 loop 0 0 and 0 0 1, what's the 0 0 1? 1 plus 1. Okay, so like that, 2 plus 2 plus like this one, you can check it. Okay, through this looping. And now we have to display that matrix now. So we have to display that matrix, so you can use for loop for displaying. Okay, for I in range 3, for j in range 3, print this is percentage d, comma, not comma, percentage n3 I j, comma, and is equal to, simple. Just print here for next line. Simple thing, just check it. See, 2 4 7 8 10 12 4 6 7. See, 1 1 plus 1 2 4 plus 2, you can check it. Okay, so such a way you can check, you can do in summing. So the write a list comprehension example for tools we have seen already, so no problem. So check it. Okay, so like the way you can use this comprehension, complex nested data structures. Try these examples. Okay, advanced data structures. That's it. Okay.